God. On God, this is, bro.
Alright, YouTube, what up? We got my boy Jay here. We're back with another video. We're at another car meet. Let's see what's gonna happen. We got this shit here. Fucking Halloween special. Goddamn. Fucking hell, bro. On God, I seen that shit and still flinched. What the fuck? Hit it again. Bike right here. Mustang, I could feel my fucking my ear hairs tickling, bro. Alright, bro, what the fuck is this shit? Fucking Mustang just got sideways. What the fuck is that, bro? Just a bunch of fucking sped people in the back of a truck.
Fucking bike. I'm telling you, that Mustang's fucking.
Oh, he's fucking spinning it. He's spinning it. Look, 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 look. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You gotta spin this shit. Oh, what the fuck?
What if he's spinning right here?
Oh, yeah, he's going to. Oh. Fuck! What the fuck? Damn, what the fuck? This shit got like hot fast as fuck.
We're just sitting on.
Yo, fuck! That shit smell good as fuck.
God, I was right there. He yelled that shit, nigga.
That shit hot as fuck.
Oh, God, nigga.
Fuck!
That nigga know he's...
Oh, he running that shit back. Oh, he running that shit back.
Right to the crowd. He knew he was...
Yo, you got fucking flames in our hair. Got people spinning over there. I don't know what the fuck going on. Yeah, let's go over there. Oh shit, he better take out the fucking crowd. Oh wait. Oh, fuck. Now he pulled back in the parking lot. He gonna be over here now too, watch.
Got
my heart beating and shit, bro. No fucking shot he spins that shit again. Walk it! Walk it all the way!
almost right into the cliff.
Oh shit, another one. Oh shit! They got that boy up top. What the fuck?
Hey, we should dip or what, nigga?
Ah,
Keep it going, nigga.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh, they're doing donuts in the sky.
They're doing donuts up top. They doing donuts in the sky. What the fuck?
Hey, everybody's
Yo, that heli low as fuck. Nobody's spinning no more with that boy right there. He's low as fuck. Nobody getting away from that.
Go burn now.
Yo, look at that. Oh, nah.
This is gonna be the most lit video ever.
On God.
On God, this is, bro.
You know, I live my best, yeah. I got too many Lamborghinis up in my driveway, but I don't even drive. Driving a bulletproof truck. I know these niggas, they want to see me stuck.